guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So today is the part 2 book haul video of Chennai Book Fair. So I got 4 books on the second visit of the Chennai Book Fair, which kind of got over on the 9th of March. So I was really thrilled and I wanted to visit another time, and I took my daughter because I just wanted to show her some things there, and she kind of enjoyed the whole thing. So I just got 4 books because of the fact that I cannot carry heavy books when I'm having my daughter. Also, I kind of found that most of the stocks were out on the second weekend of the book fair. So I'm going to be giving you small videos of the book fair inserted in between this video, so you can see kind of a vlog also in this video. So if you're new to my channel, please take some time and subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me, and let's begin with the video. So the very first bookstore I visited was Om Shakti bookstore, and previously I also got 4 books from them. They mostly had very good international seller books, and I kind of was very excited when I saw Cobalt Blue by Sachin Kundalkar. So actually I was wanting to buy this book for quite some time now, and this is a hardcover. It's a old copy, it's not a pre-loved copy, it's just a little bit old copy. I just saw only one copy and I didn't have a second thought. I was browsing through the shelves and I couldn't find any great titles, maybe because the stock wasn't restocked, and I kind of found only Jeffrey Archer's books and Dan Brown books mostly, and I was literally out of my mind, and I wanted to just skip that store and go to another store, while I saw this one in the counter. So I think someone has picked it and they have left it. So when I saw this, I was really very happy and I picked it. So I was wanting to buy this book ever since Helly recommended this book, and I was looking out for a great discount, but I couldn't see one, and I got it for a 50% discount. So this was literally 200 rupees, and I was so very happy. So this is initially priced for 550 rupees, and it's a hardcover, and it's a little bit dusty, but I don't think that it is dusty. It's just the cover design. So otherwise the book is a new book, a little bit old, but the pages inside are very good. So I'm so thrilled to read this book. So this one is a translated book written by the author Sachin Kundalkar, and it was translated by Jerry Pinto. So this is basically, I think, a Marathi book, and this is about a brother and a sister who kind of falls to the same man who is the tenant in the house, and the whole family is shattered. And this is a debut novel by the author, who has written this book at the age of 22. I was so excited, and I was so shocked when I knew that detail about the author. Being a debut novel, and he started to write this novel around 20 years, when he was 20 years, and he finished it in 22 years, and it was out. I am so thrilled to read this book because this one talks a lot about homosexuality, telling your sexuality to your family. So I think it will be a very gripping, a very engaging read. So I'm hoping to read this book very soon. So the next store which I visited in the Chennai Book Fair was Lore Bookstore. That is the official name, but I think it was Rain Tree or something there. I actually didn't know that when I first visited. I just went with a bill, so I thought the shop's name would be Lore Bookstore, and I was around the book fair and I couldn't find it out. So finally I called them up and they told me the shop's number, so I just went there and I realized that they had a different name. Okay, so I picked 3 books from this bookshop and I was really very happy to pick all these 3 books. I didn't have an idea to pick any book from the shop. I just wanted to see if there were any new titles. I could see that they didn't restock a lot of books. Also, I got the first volume of A Suitable Boy book, so I wanted the second volume, and the shopkeeper kind of told me that to come back the next weekend so that he will restock it. But unfortunately I didn't find the second volume, but I found the whole book, that is the whole first volume and second volume together as a complete single book, and that was just for 200 rupees. I was really feeling very bad and I regretted that I got the first volume. So, but that's okay. So I really didn't want to buy any books, but I saw one book which made me to buy 2 other books. That is this one, which is Half of a Yellow Sun by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. So I read We Should All Be Feminists by the author, and I wanted to read a lot of her works, and she is a Nigerian writer, and this is her second book. Her first book is Purple Hibiscus, and her latest release was We Should All Be Feminists. So I am very excited to read this book, and this is a winner of Orange Broadband Prize for Fiction of 2007. So very excited. So this is about 3 people whose lives are intertwined, and when the Nigerian war happens, they have to run for their life, and their loyalty and how their entire life changes is what the story is about. So I have seen a lot of reviews about this book, and it's one of a very good recommendation by most of the bookstagrammers. So when I saw this book, I didn't have a second thought. In spite of the spine being very cracked, I don't know if the camera is capturing it well, but the spine is way too cracked, and the condition of the book inside is very fine. It is not a second-hand copy. It's just a little bit old copy, but otherwise the copy is good. So I'm very excited. I got for 120 rupees, I guess. Yeah, I got all these 3 books just for 400. That's because I got another book. So initially it was priced for 150, I guess. So they gave me 3 books for 400 rupees. So I was very happy. So very interested and thrilled to read this book very soon. I'll put it in some of my TBRs in 2021 itself. Let's see how it goes. The next book which I picked was next to the Half of the Yellow Sun, which is The Girls by Lisa Jewell. So I have heard about this author. This author's The Family Upstairs was a very great hit, and it was a popular thriller book. So I wanted to pick this book once I kind of saw the author's name. I haven't heard of the book, but when I saw the author's name, I was thrilled. This is a mystery suspense thriller novel. This is about a 13-year-old who goes missing in the communal garden they have. So the neighbors kind of have no idea about what happened to the 13-year-old. So the garden has a lot of secrets to share. So I think it will be a very gripping, very engaging read, and I am so thrilled to kind of pick this book immediately. And being a Women's Month, I kind of think to pick this book. So let's see if I can. If I can, I will let you know on my Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do follow them. The last book is a very popular book by a very popular author. So I was really thrilled, and I kind of have no idea about the book when I got it, but I came home and I kind of browsed about the book, and I was so happy that I picked this book. But this is a very famous book by a very famous author. So let me just tell you a story about how I picked this book. So I picked these 2 books just for 150 each, and the shopkeeper told me that if you pick one more book, you can just pay me 400. So I was like, okay, let me just pick another 150 rupees book. So that is The Blind Assassin by Margaret Atwood. So I have not read any Margaret Atwood, and I'm so thrilled that I got this first edition cover. This is a winner of the Booker Prize, and I am so happy that I have this book because it's a very good condition book, and I really like the first edition cover. So when I came back home and I saw the blurb, I was really very interested. This is about two sisters, and one of the sister kind of has another story. So it's a novel within a novel. So it is going to be taking a lot of twists and turns, and it's going to be a very great read, I hope so. So this is a historical fiction written by the Canadian writer Margaret Atwood. So I am very happy that I picked this book, and it's a pre-loved copy, and I'm so happy about that because I just saw a person's name on the book, but otherwise the book is very good in condition. It does not have any dog-eared pages, or the spine does not have a crack. So I was really very happy to see the condition of the book, and I picked it with a second thought. So that's the last book of the Chennai Book Fair book haul. So those were the books which I got from the Chennai Book Fair when I visited the second time, and I was so happy that I got only 4 books because I was in a very good budget when I visited for the second time. I kind of wanted to explore a lot of Tamil bookstores there and find out new titles. Also, I saw many second-hand booksellers selling books for 200 rupees, take 3 for 200, take 4 for 200, take 5 for 500 or 450, like that, and everything were a great deal. But one thing was that when I visited on the first weekend, I got to see a lot of good titles, international best-selling titles as well as Indian author titles. But when I visited on the second weekend, most of them were sold. So that was making me to stop and think and then purchase books. So that's why I picked only 4 books, and I had my daughter, so I couldn't carry a lot of load. So that's why I picked 4 books. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll be meeting you all in my next video. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Bye.